It is my privilege also to introduce to you the National Commissioners present here. And Major General Professor Pule Ajayi, the National Commissioner.
It is my pleasure to welcome you all to this meeting, especially those of you attending for the first time. In particular, I would like to welcome the National Security Advisor and Co-Chairman, Malam Nuhu Ribadu. On behalf of ICSES, I wish to extend our congratulations to you on your appointment. Your personal presence at this meeting is also an affirmation of your commitment to peaceful elections in Nigeria. I would like to similarly extend our congratulations to the recently appointed service chiefs, the Acting Inspector General of Police, the Comptroller General of the Customs Service, his counterpart in the Nigerian Immigration Service, the Acting Chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, and all other heads of agencies who are attending this meeting, either in substantive or acting capacities for the first time. The meeting today is a combination of both regular and consultative engagement and a review of the 2023 general election. The Commission has been engaging with our staff and critical stakeholders for the review of the election. In fact, this is the 7th meeting since the commencement of the reviews about 4 weeks ago on 4th July 2023. As you are aware, election is a multi-stakeholder activity. Although INEC drives the process, a secure environment for the conduct of peaceful election is the responsibility of the security agencies working in partnership with the Commission. The synergy enabled us to overcome many of the challenges prior to the 2023 general election, including the targeted attacks on INEC offices nationwide. Indeed, the concern that the perennial insecurity in some parts of the country before the election may make our deployment of personnel and materials and consequently the conduct of polls impossible did not materialize. We wish to place on record our appreciation to the security agencies and other members of ICSES for the largely peaceful conduct of the polls. At the same time, we should draw lessons from the challenges that occurred for improved performance, not only in the next general election, but also in the by-elections and off-cycle governorship elections, as well as other electoral activities to be held over the next 3 years. Similarly, during our interactive meetings with political parties, civil society organizations, and the media, some specific issues of security concern were identified. We reassured them that their concerns will be tabled at this meeting for appropriate remedial action. As we review the conduct of the last general election, we also need to focus our attention on the forthcoming by-elections and the 3 off-cycle governorship elections in Bayelsa, Imo, and Kogi states. Campaign in public in the 3 states commenced on 14th July 2023 and will continue until Thursday, 9th November 2023, that is 24 hours to the opening of polls on Saturday, 11th November 2023. Already there are ominous signs in the form of violent clashes between opposing political parties and candidates. While maintaining strict neutrality, security agencies should be decisive in taking action against purveyors of violence and other undemocratic activities such as vote buying, attacks on election officials, and disruption of the electoral process. We have a lot to discuss at this meeting. And on this note, I would like to welcome the Acting Inspector General of Police who has joined us. And thank you very much, Acting IG. And I want to once again welcome you all to this meeting, and we look forward to our robust engagement. Thank you and God bless.
Well, Prof, it's an honor to sit by you, especially right side of the decks with you. I want to thank you very much for the congratulations to me and the Acting Inspector General of Police, and also tell you that we are honored to be with you, to join you in this work. It is a fact that you and your team have done an excellent job. You have had a very peaceful election, probably the best ever in our history. And it is a credit to you and the personalities who are in charge, credible Nigerians, that you have done a good job, and be assured it is recorded and is going to go into history. The same thing with the team that supported that. We believe the work you are doing is what is going to help secure this country, stabilize it, make things work, and make democracy permanent with us forever and ever. We want to thank you. I will thank you personally on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and assure you that in him you have one who will be with you 100%. We'll make sure that you will even do more what already you are doing. The essence of the committee is to support you and make sure that the environment will be conducive for peaceful elections. They have done it, and of course, they will continue to do even more. It matters to review what has happened for you to do better. The meeting that we are going to have today is all part of it. We want to assure you we are going to be ready. I've heard the names and the agencies that are here. We believe that we are in a position to guarantee safety of Nigerians and INEC staff to conduct peaceful elections. That, I can assure you, will be done. We will be by your side to work for Nigerians. We will work extra. Whatever, even I think, going forward, we probably will even have to be meeting more and more so that we continue to improve, learn more, and then deliver better. I will wait to listen, and then, of course, take what we are going to, and then if it means, now that we have few elections ahead of us, the by-elections, the intention is to get ready and with the support of the government, make sure that it's going to be exemplary elections that will signal what is going to come henceforth in Nigeria. On behalf of all the security agencies and the other stakeholders who are here, I want to assure you that we are here and we will be with you through whatever that we are going to do. Thank you very much, and God bless.